In this video, you are going to learn how to make a YouTube logo. What's up guys, I'm Andy, you're watching Learn How. I create video lessons and tutorials to help people learn how to use technology to improve their lifestyle. So if you learned something new in this video, please consider subscribing. Okay, to make a YouTube logo, this will be your little profile picture. You can do a lot of different things. First of all, you can just upload a photo of yourself. The ideal image crop is 800 by 800 pixels. But if you have a specialized channel, like a gaming channel, makeup channel, tutorial channel, some sort of channel specifically with like a brand of some sort, you can make a logo to go as your YouTube profile picture. So I'm going to show you how to make a YouTube logo in Photoshop, but you can apply these same principles with any sort of photo editing software. So I'm right here in Photoshop with a new canvas open. This is 800 by 800 pixels with 300 DPI resolution. I recommend using a higher resolution. It'll just make your image look clear. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add a background. So I'm just going to search through my files. I have a file here in mind that I'm going to use as my background. So I'm just going to drag it over here to the canvas. I'm going to resize it so it fills up the entire canvas. And I'm going to just drag it to a spot that I feel comfortable with. When I'm ready, I'm going to press enter. Now, if you have a logo, you could put a logo on top of this, or you could add text over it. So like if I wanted to just add text, let's say we're doing my thing, which is Learn How. I'm going to change that font. Like if I was just wanting to put text as my YouTube channel logo, I could just go like that and do text. I'd probably make it white. I could just do that. That's pretty simple. Something to keep in mind is whenever you're adding like an image overlay over your background image, remember that YouTube uses a circle. So I like to imagine, this will just be for an example. I like to imagine a circle kind of like that. I mean, it's not super centered. But everything that's in the circle will show up on YouTube. So like if I go to YouTube, let me go to my channel really quick. You'll see right here on my channel art right here that it's a circle. So you got to make sure that you keep like text or logos or anything within the confines of a circle and not necessarily a square, even though you're going to upload a square image. So I'm only going to play around in the white circle for my logo. So like Learn How, that would appear in the circle. If I wanted to do a logo overlay, let's see if I can find here. Let me see if I can find a logo really quick. This one. Oops. Okay. So if I were to add that logo, it's not as high resolution as I'd want it to be, but I would make sure that it's kind of in the middle portion of the screen. And me, I like the outer glow, so I would do like a white outer glow like that. So now I feel comfortable that if this were being used on YouTube and everything that's in the dotted circle, everything that's in the dotted circle that I attempted to draw appears in the, maybe I can draw a better circle like this. That was not a good circle. But everything in the circle is what appears on your channel art. So that's what I recommend doing if you want to do a channel art. That's not a picture of you. It's a picture of you. You just upload an image of you and crop it and adjust it how you want it. But if you want to do like a channel art logo, find a cool background that's pretty solid. I got a galaxy one here. And then throw your logo on top. Make sure it's a PNG file with a transparent background. If you look over here, you see that my logo is transparent. That's what all those little checkerboards are. It means it's on a transparent background, so I can drag it over the top of any other background, which is why it sits nicely over this galaxy background. And then when you're done, just export it as a JPEG file. That should be just fine. So right here I'm on JPEG. I just press export it to my documents or whatever, and then I could upload it to YouTube. So if I come back here over to YouTube, I could just click on my little profile image there, click edit, upload the photo to my Google profile for my YouTube channel, and then it would appear there in a few hours usually. Alright guys, if you like this video, if you learned something new, hit that thumbs up button, hit that subscribe button, and please leave me a comment of your questions that you have about YouTube, about photo editing, about video editing, about technology. I'd love to do a tutorial to help you out with whatever you're needing help with. So let me know in the comments what kind of stuff you're thinking about, what kind of help you're doing if you're starting a business, if you're starting a channel, if you're doing social media, stuff like that. I've got a lot of cool videos to help you learn how to make money online, some business videos as well, another one of my passions. So check out some other videos on our channel, guys, and we'll see you next time.